What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box as always. Today, man, I got a $540 box. It was $500 plus the $40 for the shipping. I purposely got this box, man. I had an $800 box in my cart. Put that thing back, grabbed this one, and I got out. I hope I made the right decision. You guys know I love this price range. I feel like this price range has always treated me well. Make about the same amount of profit in this price range. So why roll the dice with 800 when I can roll the dice with 5? That's my theory. So hopefully it's gonna pay off, man. I don't know, man. We're gonna jump right in. Like I said, $540 for this box today from Soul Supremacy. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. Don't know what's in it, don't know what size, condition, anything like that. Just a straight up mystery. Off top, no loose shoes. Always a good sign. I don't know if this is a good sign though. Your boy got two SB boxes right on top. I got a Nike Dunk High Pro SB in a size 11. I have no idea what I have here. No idea. You guys know I suck at the Dunks, SBs, and all of that. These are a size 11. Pretty clean, pretty good condition. Does have some wrinkles in the toe box. I don't know what these are. I've never seen them. I know Nike SBs and all that, man, they got a million different colorways. So I'm gonna get this other one out the way while I'm lost. I might as well go and stay lost. We got a Nike Dunk Low Premium SB in a size 10.5. These look kind of cool. These are a 10.5. Don't know the nickname to them. Look like they have some etching, engraving around the heel. They do have extra laces with them. Take out both of them so I can check them out. I have no idea what these are, man. See, that's the weird thing about SBs too. Sometimes they can be really expensive SBs and you don't even know it. I've had that happen before, where I actually like put a pair of SBs to the side. Like I didn't even list them nowhere. They were just chilling. One day I'm like, oh man, let me sell all these kicks real quick that, you know, was taking up too much space. Looked the shoes up and they was going for like 300 bucks. And they were just chilling. We got a Air Jordan Retro BG size 6.5. Let me see if I can turn this down, man. This might be too bright for y'all. Let me see. 6.5. Hopefully that helps out a little bit. We have a dead stock pair of Jordan 5s. Can't go wrong with dead stock. Icy bottom. I mean, white metallics. Size 6.5. It's not the greatest size, but we're back to school, getting ready to start back. Hopefully they'll move. Got the old Jordan face box. Oh, almost dropped it. We got the face box. I used to get excited with face boxes. Oh, at least my size 11. Ooh. Man, this is the 2004 release, I'm guessing, just from the box, yeah. But look at the toe of them. God dang, these are clay. Let me get the other shoe before I get too excited. They're not dead stock, obviously. Like I said, they're from 2004. We got the Bread 13s. This is a grail shoe for me, man, to be honest with you. This is one of the shoes that got me into really liking shoes. When the shoe came out, I believe I was in third or fourth grade, and I remember my little brother got them and I didn't get them. I don't even know how that happened, but my little brother had got them. I didn't get them. I always wanted them. This is a grail shoe for me, man. These are dope. And they are GR. But y'all sleep if y'all think this GR is not killing some of these limited shoes, man. These are hard, man. Show y'all one more time. I probably won't be keeping them because I already have them. These are dope. I have the newer release. Man, for y'all who have been asking me to do a sneaker collection video, bro, I will do one. I'm gonna do one because y'all keep asking me for it. I'm gonna do one, and I promise y'all gonna be like, dang, he wasn't lying this week. This week, but I'm gonna do it. It's coming soon. Within the next month, I will have a sneaker collection video up. It's not all that, man. I sell way more shoes than I keep nowadays. This is a size 10 Air Jordan 6. I guess I could have just showed y'all the tag. Size 10 Air Jordan 6. Oh, losing it. We got the infrared 6s. Another good pickup, man. This is another good pickup. These are dope. Check out the condition. Very clean. Look at the bottom. Lightly worn. They do have the lace locks with them. And it looks like it has a receipt in the box also. If I can get it back in the box. Size 10 on those. I got 2 pair left in this box. I got a 1 box. I've been just saving it to the end. We got another 6.5 girls Air Jordan 5 GS. It's like another old Jordan box. Got an old Foot Locker receipt. Never seen this shoe before in my life. Don't know what it is. They look dead stock, but obviously they are old. And with that comes a little bit of yellowing on the bottom. These are, I've never seen them. GS, size 6.5. Dead stock. Well, with the original box. So, like I said, we're back to school, getting ready to kick back off, man. Some of this stuff is gonna be moving really fast. Last up, we got a Nike box. These are Jordan 1s, size 11. I didn't look at the size the whole time. Okay, we got some lows that look highly, I don't know what this is on it. Set this down. Oh, they like they got some dust or something on them, and it's rubbing off, so that's a good thing. I'm not sure what that is, but these are dead stock, and I will get all of that dust or whatever it is on it off. But we got another dead stock pair of kicks, man. So all in all, this box was pretty good. I got 3 pair of dead stock kicks, a childhood grail, and some random SBs that hopefully are not complete bricks. I don't know what this is, man, but I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it's rubbing off. It's like dust or something. It's rubbing off. I don't know what that is. But size 11 on those. Dead stock 1 Royal Lows. That concludes this $540 box. Not disappointed with it at all. This is just play boxes for me, so these should move pretty well. 6.5, so go with the back to school stuff. So that's what's up, man. Thank you guys for tuning in today's video. If you not following the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE, Instagram, Twitter, all those places like that. And man, I should have some kicks. I've been posting kicks for sale up on the IG, not a bunch of them, but on the main page, and stuff been moving quick. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I suggest you do that, because I will be having some deals hopefully going up really soon. I'm trying to move out a bunch of stuff and just move in a bunch of new stuff, so that will be the plan in the near future. Again, I will have a sneaker collection video. It's not much, man. It's probably like 30 or 40 pair in my collection. It's not booming like it used to. I had to move a lot of stuff when I lost all that weight, man. Y'all know my foot shrunk down. I've said that before. When you lose a lot of weight, I lost over 100 pounds. So when you lose a lot of weight, my foot size got a little smaller from wearing 11 and a half to wearing a 11 to 11 and a half, all the way down to a 10 and a half, 11. So now currently I'm wearing a 10 and a half to 11 instead of the 11 to 11 and a half. So all those 11 and a halves had to go, and even some of the 11s, because then they got kind of loose. But yeah, we'll say that for the next video. Again, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate you guys as always. I'm out. Peace.